Alright, so for this video we're going to be going over RAM and batteries on laptops. And on this unit here, it's already upside down. And to remove the battery, you just press in and lift up. It's a lithium-ion battery. Usually gives you between 2 and 4 hours of battery life. Make sure you don't damage the connectors in there. And you just slide it back in like that. Now for the RAM, it's actually underneath this panel here, which we will have to take the screw loosened. It actually stays connected in, which is nice. And then the RAM, there's these little clips that hold it in. You can pop them out. And you always want to make sure you handle it from the edges. Pull it out. This RAM here is a SODIMM DDR model. It's got 256 megabytes. And then, make sure you don't touch the gold connectors. And it slides back into place. And then here you go, and it's locked down. And then to put the cover back on, you just tighten the screw back up. And on this system here, just a little bit of information extra, we'll go ahead and cover the hard drive as well, which is underneath this one. And this screw here does come out. Make sure it's set aside so we don't lose it. And press those tabs. As you can tell, that's not easy to release it. And it just pulls right out from the holder. If you wanted to replace the hard drive, you take these screws here out. If you wanted to put like a solid state in, and it slides back in. Alright. And that is pretty much the end of this video. Thank you.